My name is Whelan and I'm the Marketing Officer here at Wales Millennium Centre. So I've learnt Welsh in school and I did a GCSE in it, but I always found that the school environment for me, the classroom environment, was very like studious, and I felt I didn't really learn Welsh in the way that I wanted to. And so with the Learn Welsh course, I decided I wanted to take part in that, as it seemed like a really good opportunity to learn Welsh through work and use the skills in my job. So Dysgu Cymraeg has been like a really great experience for me. Like learning Welsh in this way has been like really transformative for my Welsh. I've become a lot more confident as we speak a lot in the classes. It's way more about speaking rather than just writing. And I've met so many of like my colleagues that I hadn't met in the work environment before, and like I've really enjoyed being able to learn Welsh with them and doing loads of different activities, and that's been really helpful for me. I love just like learning new words and phrases. It's been really helpful for me as I use a lot of Welsh in my job anyway, particularly for our website and our social media. So being able to like learn these things rather than going to someone for translation has been really, really great. I practice Welsh outside of the classroom by speaking with a lot of my Welsh language speaking friends. Here at work we have a weekly clonc session, and I go along to that to speak Welsh with my colleagues. Another thing that I do is listen to a lot of music, particularly Welsh language music. I'm also a DJ outside of work as well, so I like playing Welsh music to the crowds when I can. And also just attending many Welsh language events like Tafwyl, and that's something I want to continue to do as I progress in Welsh. The advice I would give to anyone thinking about learning Welsh is just to go for it. I've been so much more confident as a result of learning to speak Welsh through Dysgu Cymraeg, and just being able to speak in the classroom, not be afraid to be wrong. I think that's the way to go about learning, and not being afraid of making mistakes and just going for it. My favourite Welsh word, I think, would be mwynhau. I think it just sums up my enjoyment of Welsh, really.